Ever wondered if the secret to youthful skin could be sitting in your kitchen? Dr. Navid is here. Observe how everything has magic, even ripe bananas and egg whites. We will provide you with information on their applications, the mysteries underlying their power, and instructions on how to fashion them into face masks and apply them at home. Up first, the humble yet mighty egg white. Are you ready to discover? Secret ingredient, egg whites. Egg whites, a seemingly simple kitchen staple, are actually a hidden secret to maintaining a youthful and vibrant complexion. Known to some but a revelation to many, they possess a plethora of skin benefits, contributing to its tightening and firming properties. Egg whites are naturally packed with proteins, vitamins and minerals that make them ideal for all natural skincare remedies. The high protein content in particular is what imparts egg whites with the ability to firm and tighten the skin. When applied topically, these proteins help to nourish the skin, replenishing its natural elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. However, the power of egg whites doesn't stop there. When paired with other skin-loving ingredients, its beneficial properties are amplified. One such pair is with the humble lemon, a citrus fruit celebrated for its potent antioxidant properties. A few drops of lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, not only brighten the skin tone, but also enhance the effect of the egg whites, promoting an incredible tightening effect. So, how does this work? It's simple. You just need to mix the egg white with a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Blend it well until you achieve a frothy consistency. Once you've done that, you apply the mixture to your face. Let it sit and dry for a bit, allowing the proteins to do their magic. You'll feel the skin tightening as the mixture dries. Finally, after it has completely dried, it's time to rinse off the mask. Here's where you'll feel an instant lift, almost like a natural facelift. Rinse off for an instant lift. Secret ingredient, cucumbers and tomatoes. Mother Nature has blessed us with an array of vibrant, nutrient-rich produce that does wonders for our bodies, both inside and out. And yet, amidst this wide variety, there are two that stand out in their myriad benefits for the skin: cucumbers and tomatoes. These vegetables, so commonplace in our diets, go beyond the role of a mere salad ingredient. They are, in fact, a reservoir of antioxidants and water. These antioxidants battle away the nasty free radicals that are notorious for causing aging and cell damage. They nourish the skin, restoring its natural vitality and youthfulness. Moreover, cucumbers and tomatoes are abundantly rich in water content. It is this attribute that makes them so hydrating for our skin. They work as a natural moisturizer, replenishing the skin's moisture levels and leaving it plump and dewy. And let's not forget, hydrated skin is happy skin. It's radiant and resilient against wrinkles and fine lines. Now, let's transform these simple veggies into a remarkable skin toner. First, you need to blend the cucumber and tomato into a consistent mixture. This mixture, when applied to the skin, seeps into the pores, delivering these vital nutrients right where they're needed. It's an easy, cost-effective, and completely natural way to pamper your skin. Imagine having a spa treatment right in the comfort of your own home. It's pure, it's organic, and the results are genuinely astonishing. Apply this concoction as a toner, and you'll see the difference for yourself. Watch your skin glow. Secret ingredient, potatoes. These are perhaps one of the most commonly consumed vegetables around the globe. Originating from the Andean region of South America, potatoes have managed to find their way into kitchens and onto plates everywhere. They are loved for their versatility in cooking, their comforting taste, and their affordability. But who knew that this humble vegetable could hold such an astonishing secret? These extraordinary tubers are not just for eating. Potatoes, that's right, the ones sitting in your pantry right now, hold a beneficial secret to skincare. They contain a host of enzymes and nutrients that are beneficial to the skin. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is known to boost collagen production. Collagen is the protein that maintains the skin's elasticity, contributing to its firmness and youthful appearance. Potatoes also contain powerful enzymes that work to tighten and brighten your skin. This is a natural, cost-effective way to enhance your complexion. The enzymes in the potato work to reduce puffiness, under-eye circles, and can even help to fade dark spots. To unlock this skin-enhancing secret, slice chilled potato rounds and place them on your face. You can lay back and relax, allowing the potato's enzymes to work their magic. After about 15 minutes, remove the slices and rinse your face with warm water. This simple yet effective skincare routine can be done at home, without any special tools or expensive products. So next time you're preparing a meal with potatoes, remember to save a few slices for your face. Voila, natural facelift. Are you loving these beauty secrets? Do you want to keep unlocking more natural and affordable ways to enhance your skin's health and appearance? If so, we have a lot more in store for you. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of information, tips, and tricks that cater to all your beauty needs. Whether it's skincare, hair care, makeup, or overall wellness, we've got you covered. Join our growing beauty community and become a part of the conversation. Share your experiences, your own secret beauty hacks, and learn from others in the process. After all, beauty is best when shared. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our videos. Your journey to a more beautiful and confident you starts here. Now back to our secrets. Secret ingredient: ripe bananas. You might be wondering why bananas? Well, the magic lies in their ripeness. When bananas ripen, they develop a higher concentration of antioxidants, which are essential for skin health. Antioxidants help to fight the signs of aging, protecting your skin from damage caused by free radicals. These yellow, curved fruits are also packed with a plethora of beneficial vitamins and minerals. Amongst them, the most significant is vitamin C. This vitamin is known for its collagen-boosting properties. Collagen, as you might know, is a protein that helps maintain the skin's elasticity, keeping it firm and youthful. Not only this, but bananas are also rich in potassium. This mineral, often overlooked in skincare, actually plays a vital role in keeping your skin moisturized and hydrated. It helps in the retention of water, preventing your skin from drying out and flaking. To tap into this treasure trove of benefits, all you need to do is mash a ripe banana and apply it to your skin. Yes, it's that simple. It's like a do-it-yourself natural face mask. The mashed pulp of the banana, when applied directly, seeps into your skin, nourishing it from within. Let this homemade banana mask sit on your skin for about 20 minutes. During this time, you can relax, read a book, or even catch up on your favorite show. As the mask works its magic, you'll feel a soothing, cooling sensation, a sign that the nutrients are being absorbed. Your skin will thank you. Not only will it feel refreshed and rejuvenated, but with consistent use, you'll also see a noticeable improvement in your skin's texture and complexion. Secret ingredient: lemon juice. In the realm of natural remedies and DIY skincare, lemons hold an esteemed place. The natural acidity found within these citrus fruits serves a plethora of benefits, not least of which is its ability to tighten the pores. Pores, those tiny openings on the surface of the skin, can often appear enlarged due to excess sebum or dirt. The citric acid in lemon gently exfoliates and cleanses the pores, effectively reducing their appearance for a smoother complexion. Another striking benefit of lemon is its brightening effect on the skin. The high vitamin C content in lemons, combined with their acidic nature, helps to lighten and even out skin tone. Dark spots, blemishes, and uneven pigmentation are no match for the natural bleaching properties of lemon juice. It's a simple, at-home way to achieve a vibrant glow, but lemons aren't meant to be applied on their own. When combined with honey, they create an effective natural mask. Honey, with its antibacterial and moisturizing properties, counters the drying effect of lemon, creating a balanced mixture. Simply mix the lemon juice with a spoonful of honey, apply the concoction to your skin, and let it work its magic. After about 10 minutes, rinse off the mask. What you're left with is a refreshing feeling that can't quite be replicated by store-bought products. Lemon and honey together create a natural, powerful remedy that leaves your skin feeling rejuvenated and glowing. Instant freshness. Secret ingredient: green tea. Green tea, a versatile ingredient in skincare routines around the world, is a traditional Chinese drink renowned for its numerous health benefits. Its inherent properties make it an excellent choice for various beauty treatments, ranging from soothing toners to invigorating face masks. The wonder ingredient green tea is known to be rich in antioxidants, which are a potent force against inflammation and aging. These antioxidants, specifically polyphenols, help neutralize harmful free radicals, which can cause significant damage to the skin if left unchecked. This is why green tea is often recommended in the fight against premature aging, as it helps maintain the skin's elasticity, keeping it youthful and radiant. It's not just the antioxidants, though. Green tea also has anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a specific antioxidant known as EGCG, which has been proven to reactivate dying skin cells. This not only soothes inflammation, but also improves the overall appearance and health of the skin, making it look brighter and smoother. When you brew green tea, you're essentially extracting these beneficial antioxidants and other compounds into the water. It's a simple process, but one that requires a bit of patience to ensure you're getting the most out of your tea leaves. Once you've steeped and strained your tea, let it cool down. It's essential to let it reach room temperature to avoid any potential skin irritation. After it has cooled down, you can use it in various ways. However, a quick and easy method is using it as a refreshing face mist. Simply pour it into a spray bottle and keep it handy for whenever your skin needs a quick pick-me-up. So don't overlook the power of green tea in your skincare routine. Brew green tea, cool it, and use it as a refreshing face mist. Secret ingredient: raw honey. The magic of raw honey lies in its versatility and effectiveness. This golden elixir, spun from the hard work of countless bees, carries within it a plethora of benefits for our skin. Dating back to the ancient civilizations of Egypt and Greece, honey has been used extensively in skincare regimes. It was held high by the likes of Cleopatra and Hippocrates for its miraculous properties. The true beauty of honey is that it's a natural humectant. Now, what does this mean for you? A humectant is a substance that preserves moisture. Think of it like a sponge, absorbing the water molecules from the air and locking them into your skin. It keeps your skin hydrated, plump, and radiant, even in the driest of conditions. When honey is applied to the skin, it retains and attracts moisture, creating a perfect environment for the skin to heal and renew itself. This is why honey-enriched products are loved by those with dry and sensitive skin. But there's more to honey than just hydration. It promotes skin elasticity. In other words, it helps your skin bounce back. Packed with antioxidants, honey fights off the harmful free radicals that cause wrinkles and signs of aging. It keeps your skin young, firm, and wrinkle-free. You can apply honey as a mask, letting its nutrients soak into your skin, or you can mix it with yogurt for a luxurious treat. The lactic acid in the yogurt will further enhance the exfoliating and soothing properties of honey, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. It's a simple, all-natural way to indulge in some self-care right at home, so why not give it a try? That's it for today's beauty secrets. We've shared with you some potent natural remedies that have been passed down through generations. These remedies are not just beauty solutions. They are a testament to humanity's bond with nature. These natural recipes not only lift and rejuvenate your skin, but they also serve to enhance your lifestyle, reflecting in your inner self as well as your exterior beauty. When you use these on your skin, you're applying a tradition, a legacy. You're making a choice to embrace a lifestyle that treasures nature's gifts. These secrets are not just for your skin, but for a wholesome transformation of your life. Go on, share these secrets. Let the world marvel at your naturally gorgeous transformation. Show them the power of nature's bounty. And if you loved what you discovered today, we invite you to watch more videos on our channel for more natural beauty hacks and tips. When you subscribe, you're not just signing up for more videos, but you're becoming a part of a community that values natural beauty and wellness. Until our next video, stay naturally gorgeous.